In this video, I will show you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what I'm going to do is just go and open up my Google Drive. So you can see I'm on Google. I'm going to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto Google Apps, and then click to go to my Google Drive. You can see I've used 9GB of 15GB. So there's a ton of different files on here and videos and pictures and things like that. Now, to actually go through and download all these files, it would of course take a very long time. So a quick way to do this, if you want to download all your files at once, is if you actually come up to the address bar at the top, and what you want to do is type the following, which is takeout.google.com. Now, when you go ahead and type that, go ahead and press enter, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. The very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to see an option to deselect all. So you can see currently everything is selected. So you just want to go ahead and deselect all. Then what you can do is scroll down until you see Google Drive. Now, it's all in alphabetical order. So you want to come down to D, you can see Drive down here, and then just tick the box to select Google Drive. As you can see, all Drive data is included. So once you've ticked that box, come down all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom, you're going to see a blue button which says Next Step. So just go ahead, give that a click. Then what it's going to do is take you to this screen where you need to select a destination. Now, what you can do is send a download link via email. So that's the one I'm going to choose. You can choose what kind of frequency to export. So I'm just going to choose to export once because, of course, I just want to download all my files one time. And once I've done that, what we're going to do is come down to the file type and size, and I'm going to leave mine selected to 2GB, which means anything normally larger than 2GB is going to be split into multiple files, but you can change this for your own personal preferences from the options available. And once you're happy with everything, just come down and click the blue Create Export button, and as you can see, what's going to happen is you're going to get a message like this. So what Google is now doing is actually creating a copy of data from Drive, so they're basically making a download link, which is going to download everything from Google Drive. Now, the process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. Of course, this all depends on how much information and files and things like that Google has to make a copy of, but you will receive an email when your export is done. So you can see if I actually go into my email, we've got this email come through which says an archive of Google data has been requested. So all you need to do now is wait for the email from Google when your download is ready, and there'll be a button in there which says download link. So you just want to click the blue button basically, and that's going to go ahead and download all your files at once from Google Drive. So that is how to download all files at once on Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.